Okay, here we go. Now, introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Marla. I'm feeling grateful.
Hey, you have to talk louder, okay? Anyway, this is chai.
Yeah, this is dry fish. Tasty.
And
A bowl of rice.
you know who I am, right? This is Nav. And we are at Lakecamp
In Wrightwod.
Wrightwod.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. I thought it's gonna be like cloudy, but it was cloudy at the other side of this mountain. And right here it's nice. I mean, you know, it's almost perfect. Maybe like 60 right now, maybe.
Probably in the 50
the
now.
50s.
No way.
No, yeah, it is.
Okay, anyway. So too bad we didn't bring guitar.
You did?
No, I did not.
Why?
I thought it's gonna rain, you know, it's like it's sprinkling badly at my house, so I didn't bring anything. So this is it, you know, like. And I'm going to pan the camcorder to this
This is okay here, right?
to show you
This
guys
is
about
what
this
the
No,
tents
you have
that
to
we're
clean
going to
it.
sleep tonight. Okay? So
Otherwise the band
hang on
will
with me.
come.
Let me put more fire in here.
This is not food. This
Yeah, it's considered to be food.
What?
This skin.
Oh yeah. Ouch! It's so hot.
You know, no. You know where you should throw it? By your the tent.
Right.
Tonight I'm gonna put a piece of chicken by the tent.
Right.
Okay, now they are standing up, and I'm gonna.
Go get more fish.
This is the tent, Marla's tent. This is Chai's tent, and this is mine. Okay, so we have 3 people, 3 tents. Too many, but okay. And again, this is the fire. And there it goes, back to the table. Okay? Okay, bye bye for now.